automatic ticket tagging applies to such custom ticket fields as a drop-down list, multi-select, and checkbox. So when you create a drop-down list, multi-select, or checkbox as a custom ticket field in Zendesk, you have to add a tag to each custom field value. To turn on or off automatic ticket tagging, you should be an administrator. Here's how to switch off automatic ticket tagging on Zendesk. First, open your Zendesk account. Click on the admin icon. Go to Admin Center. Open up the Objects and Rules section. Under Tickets, pick Settings. Scroll down to enable automatic ticket tagging. Turn it off. Press on the Save tab to apply the changes. When you migrate custom fields as a drop-down list, multi-select, or checkbox to Zendesk, the help desk automatically adds associated tags to them. Note, it's a default Zendesk workflow, and our tech team can't change it.